Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will study about material ASTM A216 grade WCB. Okay, in this video, we will understand about the importance, manufacturing process, applications, material composition, mechanical properties, heat treatment, temperature limits, and what is WCB, WCB casting methods, comparison with other materials. So let's begin. So first here importance of ASTM A216 grade WCB. So here ASTM A216 grade WCB is a carbon steel castings for walls, flanges, fittings or other pressure containing parts for high temperature service and of quality suitable for assembly with other castings or wrought steel parts by fusion welding. Okay, further here we will see the process of manufacturing these material components. So components made from ASTM A216 grade WCB are produced through casting, which involves pouring molten steel into molds and allowing it to solidify. Here in this process, molds are prepared. In that molds, we pour the molten steel. Okay, and then we allow it to solidify so that we can get a desired product from this mold as per the mold shape. So here for the applications of ASTM A216 grade WCB are it is used in the manufacturing of components exposed to high temperatures and pressures such as wall bodies, wall disc, wall bonnet, pump parts, pump casings, pump impeller, pipe fittings and flanges. Okay, further it is suitable for applications in the oil and gas industries, petrochemical plants, power plants, and other high pressure environments. So now let's see the material composition. Typical chemical composition includes it includes carbon, manganese, phosphorus, sulfur, and silicon. Okay, so now let's see the mechanical properties. Tensile strength of ASTM A216 grade WCB is 485 megapascal minimum. Okay, yield strength is 250 megapascal minimum. Elongation is 22% minimum. Reduction of area 35% minimum. Okay, now let's see the heat treatment. This grade is usually supplied in a normalized condition. Normalizing is a heat treatment process where the steel is heated to a high temperature and then cooled in air. This involves the mechanical properties and it improves the mechanical properties and refines the grain structure. Okay, so further see temperature limits. Typically suitable for use in temperatures up to about 425 degrees Celsius, that is 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, what so now let's see the important here. What is WCB? Okay, WCB is stands for wrought carbon with grade B. Okay, so here there are three types of grades A, B, and C, which defines the ductility and tensile strength. So here in this grade B is having very good ductility and tensile strength as compared to grade A and C. Okay, so WCB casting methods are here: sand casting, investment casting, shell casting, lost foam casting. Okay, so now let's see the comparison of this WCB A216 grade WCB with here a ASTM A105, that is casting material and forging material. ASTM A105 is actually a forging material and ASTM A216 grade WCB is a casting material. So now see, forged parts typically have better mechanical properties than cast parts due to the forging process. Okay, so forging process generally results in better toughness and fatigue resistance for ASTM A105 parts compared to cast parts, that is cast ASTM to A216 grade WCB parts. Okay, So students, in this video we have understood about the material ASTM A216 grade WCB. Okay, thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.